It's OhioJimbo here, back with the song that I told you I would get the music to because this is such a fun song. Let's just see if we can do it. I'll try to keep it slow. I tried to keep the Java down just a little bit today so that we can get through the song without hammering through it too fast. But there's a lot of fun to be had with this song, and I think you're going to enjoy it. A, E, and D. That is it. And this is a little ditty. It's about Jack and Diane. So... Jack and Diane, two-man kids growing up in the heartland. Jack will be a football star, Diane the debutante backseat of Jackie's car. Oh yeah, life goes on, life the thrill of living is gone. Oh yeah, life goes on, life the thrill of living is gone. Let the Bible bell come and save my soul. Hold on to 16 as long as you can. Change come around will soon make us women and men. A little ditty about Jack and Diane, two-man kids doing the best they can. That is Jack and Diane by John Cougar Mellencamp, John Mellencamp, whoever you want to call him, whatever you want to call it. And that song is a fun campfire song, especially in that let it rock, let it roll. That is such a cool part to the song. And get everybody clapping their hands and singing along, because that is one of those 3-chord songs that you will love when you're playing it out. And well, I had to do this one separately because there was a couple of copyright infringements that I have to be careful with. I'm happy to say that YouTube or somebody out there recognized the music that close that I actually was called out that it sounded too much like their melody, their music. And truthfully, I don't write these songs. I don't even think of myself as a great singer. I don't think of myself as a great guitarist. I just have fun doing it. And I show you how to do these songs because they're an easy way to have fun. I try to make everything come down to that simple, basic 3-chord world. And it does work, especially in a song like this. And there's so many more. Stick around, subscribe, hit the bell so you're alerted when I upload those videos. And I'm trying to put one a week out. So that'll be 52 that I've done this year. And I'm hoping that you could possibly, give me a thumbs up every once in a while. Leave some comments. Let me know some songs that you might want to see if I could try to convert into 3 chords. If I can't, I'm going to tell you. But I certainly will try to do the best I can. So this is a fun song. I do hope you enjoy it. It's not how it was written, it's how I play it. And I play it to have fun. That's the whole idea. So when you're playing that part, there's a couple ways to play that. That one I just slide my finger down into the pseudo E position. But really you can go from A, E. That's a lot of finger movement, but I don't mind it. If you wanted to do it just... And if you notice, I'm strumming down on that the whole time, so it's... Here. And that's it. That's the beginning of it. The rest of it is that... That's the funnest thing about it. I really do enjoy that song, and it's a fun one to sing. After a couple of drinks, you might want to be able to scream it out and have some other people yelling and singing with you, clapping their hands. Just have fun. Make it your song. Find the chords that fit you, find the key that fits you, and let's have some fun together. So I hope you can jam together with me on that one, and I hope no one yells at me for playing a song that was written by somebody else, and I've changed it enough that it sounds like their song. It's all about having fun around the campfire. And this is OhioJimbo. If I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here. Thanks for watching.